Hi, so I am a finance professional and I've attended a few online classes of Dr. Shah. So I was really fascinated by this therapy and that's the reason why I decided to join. But once was added in the WhatsApp group, I saw so many doctors' names. I was really, literally, agitated as to what I'm going to do here. It's going to be only for doctors. But I must say I thoroughly enjoyed this as a non-medical person. I came here actually for some therapies for my family members, and I'm really hopeful and sure that it's going to help them. I already bought a lot of products, and today in the demo, when they were giving the names of the medicines, I was like, okay, I have to buy this for so and so. So I kind of have a very big list of buying all the products and trying it out, and I just hope that I do be associated with you all.